Why can you understand English but not speak it fluently? In this video, we'll show you why listening is the key to speaking better. Let's start. Why do I understand English but can't speak it?
If that sounds like you, don't worry. Today, I'll show you the secret. Listen more, speak better. Let's see how listening can change the way you speak English.
So why does this happen to so many learners?
Because most students spend their time studying grammar, reading books, or memorizing vocabulary lists. They can understand words when they see them, but their mouth doesn't know how to use them. It's like knowing music notes, but not being able to play the instrument.
Oh, so listening is like practicing the instrument?
Exactly. Listening trains your brain and your mouth to feel the language, not just know it.
But can listening really make my speaking better?
Yes. When you listen, you're not only learning words, you're also learning pronunciation, rhythm, phrases people actually use. That's what makes your speaking sound natural.
So my brain copies what it hears?
Exactly. Think about babies. They don't study grammar. They just listen every day. And then one day, they start speaking.
But I already listen to English songs and movies.
Because that's passive listening. It's fun, but your brain is relaxed. For fluency, you need active listening.
What's the difference?
Passive listening is just background noise. Active listening means you work with the English. For example, listen to a short clip. Repeat what you hear. Shadow. Speak at the same time as the speaker. Record yourself and compare.
That sounds difficult. What if I can't repeat exactly?
That's fine. Even trying helps. Let's say you listen to a 1-minute YouTube clip. The first time, you miss words. The second time, you catch more. After 5 times, your brain remembers the rhythm. Later, when you speak, your sentences will sound smoother. Not because you studied grammar, but because your brain heard the pattern many times.
So it's like singing my favorite song. After listening a lot, I can sing without reading the lyrics.
Exactly. That's how speaking works too.
But what if I make mistakes when I repeat?
Mistakes are part of learning. Don't be afraid. The more you practice listening and repeating, the fewer mistakes you'll make. Fluency is not about being perfect. It's about being confident.
So, it's okay if I sound strange at first?
Yes, every learner sounds strange at the beginning, but step by step, listening shapes your speaking. Just don't give up.
So, what should I do every day?
Here's a simple plan. 5 minutes. Listen to a short audio or video. 5 minutes. Repeat or shadow. 5 minutes. Record yourself. That's only 15 minutes a day. Do this for 30 days, and you'll see your speaking become faster and more confident.
So the secret is, listen more, speak better.
Exactly. Listening is not passive. It's your secret weapon for fluency. The more English you hear and repeat, the easier speaking becomes.
All right, no more silent listening. From now on, I'll listen and speak every day.
Perfect. Your ears are the doorway to your fluency. And now, I want to hear from you. Do you have any questions about listening practice? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer.